care best if you stop it. Running on me up.
I coulda run in a your yard and take a cheap and say Babylon, Panellian in the street and me in the book, my Lord Jesus.
So viewer, subscriber, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K sh0t Energy, and in this update we have Skeng and Alkaline and make a bad link up. Plus we also have Jahshii, the entertainer, recently lost his brother a couple days ago, and we have to get into it, you see me? So remember, subscribe to 4K sh0t Energy if you're new, and we could jump right into the video.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
So you know say enough people forget say Skeng link with Alkaline. Yeah man. And you see if you don't remember, well me there for tell you no. Skeng and Alkaline them link. Them may not take a bag of picture and post it on the media, but they link. You see me? But all me there wait upon now is just a song. Tell me I tell of your subscriber. All me there wait upon is just a collab between the two entertainers them.
Sailor, wanna know them limit, them bullet ya cut your speed. We not afraid of that, we not afraid of them, they need them shot to slow you down till I'm up and out tequila.
So as you can see on the screen via subscriber, just like what I was telling you, Alkaline and Skeng link up in Canada. Yeah man, it's a good look, and you don't know, so we believe in a unity, you know. And not all the time I go preach war, but at the end of the day, as me said back then, war is a part of dancehall's culture. So we go always want a war, but unity is strength. Yeah man, nothing beat unity, you know. It's a good look to see the two entertainers them come together, and I take a picture, you know. No, as me said before, it's just a song me a wait upon. Yeah man, me just a wait upon a bad man song for the youth them jump out with, or a song for the female them, you know. Yeah. But as me say, it's a good look. And who never know, say the entertainer them link up, well, there on have it. Yeah man, Skeng and Alkaline, them good. You see me, they may not take a bag of picture, but them good. Cause remember one of your subscriber, I recently Skeng perform at New Rose Festival, you know. So the entertainer them good, but them just do them things separate, you know. But as me say, I just really I look forward for a song from the two entertainer them. Yeah man. Trust me, the song there would have bad. You see me? And not because it's a Skeng or Alkaline, but come on. The song there would have tough. So make me know what think about that via subscriber. Leave any thoughts down in the comment section. Make me know what think. Moving on to our next one. So as most of you know already, the entertainer Jahshii has lost a family member. But not just a family member. The entertainer has lost his brother. Yeah. Me say the entertainer brother got shot. But I'm going to read the article and I can have a better understanding of what's going on, you know. Yeah man. So the article says, a 29-year-old laborer slash shopkeeper, David Mosiah Clark, the brother of dancehall entertainer Malachi Clark, popularly known as Jahshii, was shot and killed by unknown gunmen in Grand Spain, Kingston, during an early morning attack on Saturday. It is so sad that Mosiah is dead. He is Jahshii's brother, the one who ran their father's shop. He is a humble youth, nice youth. Everybody love him. A Grand Spain resident to dancehall mag. So I see a question I go around where people I wonder if what happened with Romy caused all of this. Just like the saying, you can't catch Quaco, you catch him shot. But to be honest, I'm not a detective, so I wouldn't know. You see me? I wouldn't know if you're a subscriber. Maybe it could be, or maybe not. So I'm not going to give you an information that I don't know, you know. Just know it's a sad news, and our condolence goes out to the family, you know. All I can say is, Jahshii, you have to watch your head out there, bro. You don't know, or maybe you do still, but people want to take you out and you know that already. You have to watch your head. You see me? If they can't catch you, they may catch somebody close to you. You see me? Go easy them dash to the man right at the shop. You see me? It's a sad world, bro. I tell you if you're a subscriber, it's a sad world. if them cannot catch you, then they might catch somebody very close to you, you know. So the entertainer them have to know the matter, bro. As Jahshii said already, bad man a bad man, artist a artist, you know. It's a sad world. Entertainer them have to watch what them a do. You see me, enough people out in the streets don't rate them, and this now have to be about what happened to Romy. This can be an attack from somebody else where don't rate the entertainer. You see me? Or this can be an attack from somebody where just don't rate Jahshii brother. Who knows? So I don't think I go jump to any conclusions and say, oh, it's an attack from what happened to Romy, because I don't know. You see me? I don't know, but Jahshii or the police them, you know. But as I say, my condolence goes out to the family. Yo, Jahshii, be a subscriber. And have to live a good life, you know, man. You see me? You don't know when phone time will come. Live a good life, so you don't have to look behind your head every step you make out in the public world, you know. So be a subscriber. Again, this is a short one phone, you know. Right now I'm tired, I swear. Tired. But I put out the effort to make at least a 6-minute video phone, you know. So big up on yourself. I respect the love and support from all that you know. I realize that the channel will grow, and I cannot do this without you, you know. Big up on yourself, as I said before, and subscribe to the channel. 4K sh0t energy. Catch you in the next one.
Want to a great dog. Want to know how me go jail or what? Pussy them want me go graveyard.